Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's video is entitled How to Make Money Giving Blood. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. After yesterday's video, which was making money selling your own hair, I've got another unique or more different or alternative suggestion for making money. It's not something you could turn into a regular job. This is donating blood or giving blood. If you're not subscribed already, okay, so there's an opportunity for healthy individuals, and there are usually age restrictions. Please excuse my voice if it sounds a bit different because I've got a cold. So there are usually age restrictions. You need to be 18, and usually between 18 and 50 or something like that, of a healthy disposition and free of certain illnesses and ailments. And then if that's the case, then you can donate your blood or give your blood and be paid for giving your blood to medical companies. I'm going to give you a couple of examples, a couple of websites, just to show that the research is there and the opportunity is there. So bear with me as I change screen now. I'm based in London, UK, so here's an example. It's a company called Trials for Us. This is not a sponsored post. You can register for a blood donation and you will be paid £100 for donating 600 millilitres of blood or proportional amount if less blood has been donated. So if it's 300 mils, you'll get £50. For those US viewers, I just want to let me show you what that is. For US viewers, I usually use a currency converter website. So Oando is a good currency converter website. So £100 is $130 at the time of recording. So you register, and then you're called to, when they have a need, you're called to donate blood, and that's quite straightforward. It won't take more than 45 minutes, an hour, and then you'll receive £100. So it's quite easy. This is a company that's operational in London. There are other companies doing the same sort of service in other cities within the UK. And then there are also opportunities, I'm going to show you in a few moments, within the US. I don't think you get paid as much as this opportunity, but it's something that you can do. And I think in the United States, they're more interested in blood plasma than just blood. And I'll show you that in a moment. Let me just change screens and show you the website in the that calls for this service, this provision in the United States. Bear with me. Here's an article, it's a good reference, The Atlantic, and it's talking about selling blood plasma, and you make between $30 to $50 each time you do that, and I think you're allowed to do it twice a week. So I'll put this article with some details, and there's some case studies. I don't need to go into details about individuals there because that's not necessary, but yeah, there are lots of opportunities for you to donate your blood plasma twice a week in the United States. So this is something that you can do. It's open for men and women. It's not difficult as long as you're not afraid of needles, obviously, and donating and giving your blood. It's something that you can do to get a little extra money when you need it. You need to just make sure you're registered, and when there's a call for volunteers to donate their blood, you're one of them. And it's a straightforward way of making some extra money. On learnmoney.io, both the website and the playlist, I'm always trying to bring you opportunities to make money, to manage your money, to increase the money that you're earning from your savings. This is another opportunity for you to make some more money, and it's something that you should explore if you have, if you're open to obviously giving your blood on a sort of monthly or bi-monthly basis. Thanks for watching all the way through. I'm just going to go back to the UK example. I'm going to go back to the UK website because I think it's useful to show the process they go through before they agree to you becoming one of the participants. Okay, so back on the UK site, Trials for Us, and this is a process. They collect blood for medical research purposes. To donate blood, you must meet the following criteria: age between 18 and 50, not smoked a cigarette in the last 3 months, you must have not had any medical problems, must not have donated blood in the last 4 months, must not have taken any recreational drugs. You can read all of the criteria here, and if you're interested, this is how you register. and there's some additional criteria for women. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've not subscribed already, click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.